In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schwab Thinkorswim. We'll keep it simple and focused on what you actually need. Think of the platform as a clean loop. Watch, chart, trade, and monitor. Once you learn that flow, everything clicks. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform and logging in with your Schwab credentials. Before you risk real money, switch to paperMoney, which is the built-in practice mode. It uses simulated cash so you can learn the tools, place orders, and build confidence without any financial risk. If you later want to place real trades, you can switch to live trading from the same login screen. Next, build a simple watch list. Head to the Market Watch tab and create a personal list so your symbols are always a click away. Add a few liquid, widely followed names like AAPL, TSLA, and SPY. A watch list gives you real-time prices, daily change, and volume at a glance, helping you spot opportunities faster. Keep it lean at first so you're not overwhelmed. You can always add more symbols as you get comfortable. Now open a chart to see what's happening under the hood. Go to the Charts tab and type any symbol from your watch list. Keep your chart clean and readable. Add just one indicator, such as a moving average. That single line helps you see the general trend without clutter. As you explore, you can adjust the time frame and moving average length, but resist the urge to pile on more studies. One or two indicators are plenty when you're learning. When you're ready to place a trade, move to the Trade tab, click the price next to the stock you want, and the Order Entry tool will populate. Choose your quantity and select an order type. A market order fills quickly at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay or accept. Review the details, then click Confirm and send. If you prefer a more visual approach later, you can use the Active Trader ladder, but the standard order ticket is perfect for getting started. Finally, monitor everything in the Monitor tab. Here you'll see your positions, profit and loss, and overall account balance. You can customize the columns to show the numbers that matter most to you, like P&L or percentage return. Checking this tab regularly keeps you informed and helps you make level-headed decisions. That's the whole loop. Watch, chart, trade, monitor. Practice in paper, money, keep your setup clean, and build from there as your skills grow.